From the Weather NorCal Command Center, this is your evening update.
All right, good evening to you all. Hope you're having a good start to your Labor Day weekend. If you're lucky enough to get the 3-day weekend, looks like we can continue to plan ahead. And we're beginning to get a little bit better handle on the next few days as far as the overall chances for rain. And it's looking more and more promising for dry conditions for your Sunday for all of Del Norte and Humboldt counties, including the inland areas and the coast. It's Trinity County that I still think there's going to be some activity here, especially for your Sunday. Not so much on Monday, though. All right, so we've got those isolated thunderstorms for Trinity County on Sunday, but the rest of us will be looking at dry conditions. Mainly dry and mild for your Labor Day. And I say mainly dry because when we look at futurecast, you'll see what I'm talking about, and then highs should be below normal through next week. All right, so here's a look at your hour-by-hour forecast as we go into tonight. Now, there still could be some activity coming through the inland areas late tonight, early tomorrow morning. But once that passes, it will dry out, and we're looking at drier conditions and mild conditions as well, with temperatures in the low 80s inland. Now for the coast, there could be some shower activity later this evening and into the early nighttime hours, but then later by tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, it will be dry and temperatures in the low to mid 60s. Now for Trinity County, we do have those showers coming in. Could see some more thunderstorms developing, especially for tomorrow afternoon is when I expect that next round of showers and thunderstorms for Trinity County. So let's take a look at the satellite image here. Now, yesterday, that area of low pressure was centered right over Northern California. It's now centered off to the west of us. So what's happening is we're seeing the rotation around the area of low pressure. That brought some pretty heavy rainfall, thunderstorms off into the eastern mountains earlier today. Now, we're also seeing some of this activity kind of making its way into Trinity County, and then that will also, we'll see this disturbance rotate around that, and that'll be coming in this evening and tonight, giving, of course, Trinity County and many of the inland areas a chance for showers and thunderstorms here later on tonight. And you'll see that as we look at futurecast. Here's midnight tonight. There you can see one of those disturbances kind of passing through. Now, as we go into tomorrow morning, what you'll see here is things start to dry out. So we're getting a bit of a break for everyone, including Trinity County. Now we're going to take you to about the afternoon here on Sunday. That's tomorrow. You can see some of the showers and thunderstorms possibly in Trinity County. But look at Del Norte and Humboldt. It's dry. I mean, even for the inland areas. And this is actually just going to kind of scoot down to the south, and we're looking at dry conditions the rest of the day. Now, Monday, around noon, it's still dry. Now, we do have a weak disturbance that'll kind of pass to the south here Monday. That's it. You had to watch closely, all right? So I do expect it to be pretty dry as we take you into your Labor Day. Let's take a look at those wave heights taking you into Sunday afternoon, about 7 feet. No big changes here. We look at your marine forecast for your Sunday. Those winds will be from the north at 5 knots, and your waves will be from the northwest at 4 feet at 10 seconds, and from the northwest at 4 feet at 16 seconds. Your low tide will be at 8:48 tomorrow morning, with your high tide in the afternoon at 3:25. And there you can see just a slight chance for some of those showers just off the coast here. All right, so let's take a look at your overnight forecast. What I've got here is a chance for showers here overnight tonight. But as we go into the late night, probably after midnight, it'll dry out. Chance for showers around midnight, and then it starts to kind of dry out after midnight, and maybe a shower or two for parts of the coast here late tonight as well. All right, now we're going to take you to tomorrow. This is where I expect showers and thunderstorms, especially in the afternoon. Dry conditions are expected as we go through the day on Sunday for the coast and the inland areas. So it looks like some pretty decent weather if you do have outdoor plans. All right, so here's what we have in store for us. Now, I've got dry conditions. I've taken out the chance for rain even on Sunday for the coast. Labor Day looks dry, should be dry through next week. Hoopa, dry conditions for your Sunday as well, not to mention the rest of next week. It's Weaverville. It's Trinity County. You've got the isolated thunderstorms here for your Sunday, but drying out for your Labor Day and staying dry as we take you through next week. Now look at your 7-day outlook for Eureka. Also dry conditions for your Sunday, not to mention Labor Day, and temperatures mainly in the low 60s for the next 7 days.